Most people think YouTube ends when you hit publish, upload it, refresh analytics, get sad, or move on. But here's the truth. Some of the biggest views spike happen after the upload. If your video didn't pop in the first 24 hours, that doesn't mean it's dead. It means you haven't worked yet. And today I'm breaking down 7 real ways to get more views after you post a YouTube video without begging for likes, spamming links, or sacrificing your dignity in group chats. So let's go ahead and get started. Here's the very first thing. Way number 1, fix your titles. Yes, even after uploading. Your title is not permanent. Most creators treat it like a tattoo. It's more like a sticky note. If your video isn't getting clicks, the problem is usually clarity, not content. And ask yourself, is the value obvious? Is the curiosity strong? And would you click this? Here's the bad titles. My thoughts on YouTube growth. Here's an even better title. Why small YouTubers are stuck at 200 views. You're not lying. You're communicating better. Changing a title alone can wake a dead video. Way number 2, update the thumbnail. This one hurts, but it works, okay? This is where pride goes to die. If impressions are high and, clicks are low, your thumbnail is the problem. Not the algorithm, not the timing, not Mercury retrograde. Your thumbnail should be readable on a phone, show one clear emotion or idea, and avoid clutter. You don't need better editing. You need clearer visuals. Swap the thumbnail. Give it 48 hours. Watch what happens. And here's another way. Way number 3. Pin a comment that keeps people watching. Most pinned comments are useless. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. And nobody cares. Instead, pin something that creates curiosity, directs attention, increases session time. Example. The biggest mistake at 6:42. Most people miss it. Okay, this connects to my other video on blank link. Pinned comments are many retention tools. Use them, okay? Way number 4. Link it properly. Stop dumping links. Spamming your video everywhere does nothing. You don't want traffic, you want interested traffic. Best places to push a video is the community tab, a relevant short clip, a follow-up video, an engaged Discord or subreddit. We're allowed, okay? Context does matter. Here's my video equals ignored. Here's why this matters equals clicks. So way number 5. Turn one video into multiple entries, okay? One upload doesn't mean one chance. Clip it, quote it, tease it. Use shorts to highlight it, a strong opinion, a surprising moment, a relatable frustrations. Shorts don't give watch hours, but they revive long-form videos, okay? Think of shorts as reminders that your video exists. Way number 6, improve the first 30 seconds retroactively. Here's something people don't realize. You can edit a video after it's live, okay? If retention dies in the first 10 seconds, cut the intro. Jump straight into the value. Remove filler. And yes, it's allowed. And yes, it works. Retention fixes, recommendation fixes. Way number 7. Let the video breathe. Don't panic, delete, or anything like that. This one's a little bit mental. Most videos, they take time, all right? YouTube tests video in waves. It watches how different audiences respond. Deleting a video early kills its chance. It's not offensive or completely off topic. Just leave it. Some videos, they wake up weeks later, some months later. Your job is to improve, not erase. And here's a bonus. What actually keeps a video alive? If you want a video to keep getting views, people have to click, people have to stay, and people have to watch more after. That's it. There's no hacks, there's no tricks, there's just behavior. So stop treating uploads like they're lottery tickets. Posting a video is not the end, it's the beginning. Every video is a draft. Every upload is feedback. If you're willing to tweak, test, and improve after posting, you'll beat most creators who just hit publish and pray. So before you call a video dead, work it and watch this video over here, because I'm telling you, I think if you continue to watch some of my videos, we can grow your channel together. Thanks for watching.